Sure.
Hi Gaurav, how are you doing?
Hi Akash, I'm good. How are you? Thanks for asking.
I'm good. Good, thank you so much. Gaurav, should we start?
Yes, sir.
All right. So Gaurav, could you tell me something about yourself, please?
Hi, my name is Gaurav Sharma. I'm born and brought up in Delhi. I complete my graduation from Delhi University from SOL in a BCom course, and I'm working as a WFM support team. And I completed my experience in 5+ year in customer service. And the last company will be I'm working in a fitness industry in a continue 5 years. And after that, I switched that job in corporate office, and I'm working as a content moderator. Now I'm working as a WFM support team, and it's a trainee part, and I'm working last 6+ month, and now I'm in a learning process as a WFM. It's a workforce management. It's a real time analyst. So it's quite a very good opportunity for me to learning new process, and I'm very glad to. Uh, uh, Very glad and happy to support by my WFM team. They will be support me in a very good way, and also in my family, my mother is housewife and my father is running a small business, and my three elder sister got married and well settled in good family, and I'm a lone child for supporting my family, and I'm doing my well.
Great. Okay, Gaurav. Gaurav, do you know for which profile you are giving this interview?
Yes, it's a MIS executive.
It's MIS executive, right? So, what do you understand by MIS? What does it mean?
Basically, working as a data analyst, it's a small starting career for data analyst as a working in MIS, and we collecting a data from as a raw material, and we converting the data from for the business as per the business requirement, and we doing we completing the process like we collect data from raw material and process we uh, we distribute the data from different types of categories,
Mm-hmm.
and we represent the dashboards and sales reports, and as per the requirement of business, what our clients and what our business required.
All right. So you just explained about MIS. Everything is good to go. Okay. But what is the full form of MIS? What is the full form of MIS? Do you know? Yes. No. Anything? You're on mute. Okay.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Uh, yeah, it's a management information system as a provided by the manager with the information they need to make a decision about organization. It's combined business and computing help to organize and manage the remote workforce.
Hmm. All right. Okay. So you know obviously in the MIS that you will be handling the data, correct? So I
Yeah.
mean, what are the way that you can handle large data set? What is the large, on which I just wanted to know that you are working in the WFM, right? And definitely you must be working on the data, correct? So
Yeah.
what is the largest data that you have worked on?
Uh, as I told you before, I'm on a training period,
All right.
so I'm
You're
working as
still in the
a
learning
little.
process, right? Okay.
Yeah, so
All
I'm
right.
working as a little small business.
Hmm.
So it's my training period. I'm on learning stage. So I work there, but not a huge data. But I see there our seniors too. They're working on a huge data. It's almost around 4,000 peoples, and they managing the data on a real time basis.
4,000, 4,000.
And they have a different types of LOBs, and we working on that.
Understood. All right, understood. Okay, so you have completed the course from somewhere or that you have learned by yourself?
Some by my seniors, and as I working in a working with WFM team, so I learn from there, and also I doing my self studies and some small the helping of the videos, and also I join the some small course like a advanced Excels. So I learning
So
the new
MIS is
basic.
the advanced Excel, not a different. There's no difference in MIS and advanced Excel. MIS
Yeah.
is something which is a professional name that is given, okay, which is the management information system, and the advanced Excel is the sub part of the MIS actually. You're utilizing your all the skill set of advanced Excel, and that is
Yeah.
the designation of MIS, okay, in the company that which gives
Yes.
to this the people, okay. All right,
Yeah.
so tell me a couple of things more about MIS. What is data manipulation, what is data formatting. You're typing something?
No.
Okay. Okay. Just tell me what is data manipulation.
It's something like we have a raw material data, and we have to collect the data from the raw material, and we calculate the all the data as per the business requirement, and we represent the data as a like a dashboards and the reports and Excel reports and the sales reports like, and also we working on we calculate the data like. How many people are working on that time, and how many people are requirement, and
Okay.
how could we set up prediction from past to future, and we collect the data from past and we predict the data for future.
Understood. All right. So, what are the two logical function we have in Excel? Do you know what are the logical function we have? You know what is
we have
logical
a
function?
we have a different types of functions, and basically we using mostly in a VLOOKUPs or SLOOKUPs.
Mm-hmm.
So
Do you know about and do you have any idea about logical function?
no.
No. Okay. It's okay. All right. So I if all right. So I have one more question for you. So in MIS, you will be working on the data, okay? But if you will face any challenge, for example, that the report, if any ad hoc works that is given to you, okay, and in a very short time that you have to give that to your manager, give that to the person that who asked the details and who asked the information. So, for example, that you have no idea about the particular data, you have no idea, function, formulas, right? You know how to do that, but still, you have no understanding about the data set. So, how you will be handling and how you will be tackling that situation?
Okay. On that time we collect the all the datas, and first we see the what the requirement of our business, like my seniors requirement, the what exactly how many people are working on next month, and how many people are going for leaving the job, and how many new joinees are here. So we can it's depend on situations what the requirement. So then
If the
we do.
requirement is, if they have given you the requirement, for example, I have given you one calling data, and I have asked something from you, but you have no idea about the requirement. You have understood my requirement, but you have no idea about the data set. Which column should I prefer, which column I should consider for my calculation, okay, for my summarization purpose, right? If you have no idea about the data set, so I'm asking how you will be handling the situation. I just wanted to know your potential, okay, to handling potential. I just wanted to know, I mean, what are the steps that you will take, okay, to in order to avoid any kind of escalation and your work also gets done. How you will be handling that situation? What are the things that you will do in that situation?
On that time I request to our seniors, I ask to our seniors like give me some times, I will calculate the data, and first I learn the data, what is the requirement, and I try to be giving my best, giving my best like I give that better solutions or better data representations. So if I have less time, so I can give a expected number, like. I'm not sure about that, but I give the expecting number. Like if we have a 10 people are in working in one LOB, and expected like two people are going leaving the job from next month. So we giving the expected number. Might be
You're
two
talking
people are
about
going,
W.
but we
Okay.
trying to
I understand. You're
say,
talking about.
yeah.
Understood. All right. All right. All right. So you tell me. Okay. I'm okay. Problem. Just wanted to know one more thing. Do you have any idea about the function which is address and indirect? Do you have any idea about this function? Address and indirect? Any idea? You're on mute.
We can use like, hello.
Yes, yes, yes.
Uh, we can use an indirect function like we have to connect the data from this to this, like this cell to this cell. So we can indirect way. It's an indirect way searching option. Like we have select this this name, and we have data of this name particular name, and we that shown the that cell shown the selected data. It's indirect function.
So indirectly, you're reading something, right? You mean to say that?
Yeah,
Correct?
if suppose that my name is Gaurav,
Hmm.
so in if someone select the option on my name, and the other tab will be showing the my all details like my mobile number, my email ID, my employee ID, my bank account statement. So it's a connectivity of indirect function.
All right. Okay. Understood. All right. So tell me one more thing. Uh, Tell me one more thing. You're working. You are just on the learning stage in the WFM. So what is WFM?
It's a workforce management. First, we that career will be starting from real-time analyst. We have to analyze the real-time management. So that people are working in a one LOB. Like 15 people are working on a one shift, like morning shift. We have a three shift: morning, mid, or evening. So we have to analyze the data on a daily basis on a real time. Like morning shift working as a 10 peoples, and we have to maintain the SLA that as per the client requirement, and we have to uh, manage the team according to business, and we have to manage the next shift also. That will be our SLA will be going down or up. We have to manage that people and arrange some staff accordingly. Like we requirement are 8 peoples, but we have to shift it a 9 peoples, because we have to manage all the breaks and unplanned leaves also. So we can manage all the data according to people's and business requirement.
All right. Okay. What is HT in WFM?
AST is average handling time, that people are working in a on a daily basis and moderate the something picking the call. Like, so we have to see the AST, what exactly a one person handling a call on a time, that we will be meeting our target or not.
Okay. All right. Okay. Tell me, why do we use VLOOKUP?
VLOOKUP basically using for a purpose, like we have a big data, and we found the data for a particular person or like a particular LOB particular person. So we have to check the what exactly one person are working on that, like AST, SLA, or how many calls are picking or abandoned calls. So we have to check that from raw material, from the uh, data, data collecting by the any application or something.
All right. Okay. So Gaurav, can you please share your screen?
Sure, sir. It's visible, sir.
It is coming. I have sent you one test paper. Can you please go on your email and download the test paper, please?
Sure. This one?
Yes. Can you please solve it?
Sure, why not? Just a moment. So we have a question as a using a VLOOKUP, and we have to collect the data from this.
Yeah.
Okay. First we seeing some error are founding. So when we do, what can we do? We go and select the data, and on a select the data and take the
Do whatever
text.
you want to do. Okay, but I want my output.
Okay.
You have only 10 to 15 minutes only. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Can you please copy the 28 where you are getting hash NA? Where you are getting hash NA, can you please copy that email? Copy that serial number. Sorry. Gaurav, I just wanted to ask, I wanted to say one thing. Can you please copy the serial number where you are getting hash NA? Can you come
Sorry.
little? Can you come little down, please? Can you come little down? Copy it. Copy it. Row number 18. Copy this. Copy this serial number. Just copy here. Copy this serial number. Serial number, not the formula. Copy the serial number. Yep. Copy it and select the column A. Control F. Paste it and find. You have no value. Okay. Okay. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. So don't we have? Do we? Can't we do? Can't we use only one VLOOKUP and we can drag it down and right? Do we need to use it again and again? VLOOKUP in the separate in each column from G to I.
Yes, if sometime if we require according to this, because we have to change the circle locations, so we can use accordingly.
We do not have any kind of other way to do it.
I can try.
You can proceed on other questions as well if it is not getting resolved. We have only 7 minutes. Please let me know if you want to understand anything, okay?
Okay.
You're getting same value.
Yes.
What could be the reason? Good. Okay, go ahead. Are you working?
Yes, yes.
Okay. have any other option to do it in one go?
Sorry.
Don't we have any other approach or way to create the naming range in one go?
One go we have to select all data. So we have to collect data from particular thing. So we after that we indirect this things to.
All right. Okay, do it as you feel comfortable. 4 minutes left. Go back. Go back and select the different state and show me the drop down. All right. Okay.
I think we have to select one green or red or red, both the red.
No, you have to select one negative values should be in the red and positive in green. Sorry, my mistake. Okay, positive should be in the green. Okay.
It's not working.
I think your bangle is getting touched to David, making so much.
It's not working.
1 minute left on. All right. Okay, Gaurav, it's okay. It's okay. You may save the file and close it. So I just want to say something. Okay. So here you may remove your screen. Stop sharing. All right. So send me that file to me. Okay, and I'll check everything once again.
Sure.
Gaurav, on couple of things I would like to say that you still need to work. You know the things, but how to implement. Okay, quickly.
Yes.
I know you can do this because that is the capability that I can see and that
Yes.
I can observe. Okay, in you that you have a capability, you have that passion to do the things. Okay, that I see. But still, I would say how quickly see the requirement when the requirement comes, it will not give you massive time. It will not give you so much time, okay, to accomplish that work, right? So you something that sometimes what happen, we will have to deliver the things very very quickly. Okay, and I know you can do this, but still, okay, on the speed of solving the question, you need to work on, you need to work, okay, you need to work not
Yeah,
so much but little more, little bit, okay. But
sure.
rest I just liked everything. And